Taralang so karbi risonim so ronga je Samson sing tia chatai long kang ni adim kasalampon Japan long ekiso. Bakery pen kasalampon na himarlo long honjeng kilo. HSDC at pen pater pipon si Seluni Jan pen lahuri jan adak bite ready kapadupon. Aprang sikadogo way pantami adap kimi gardom pajerdo. Morning news along penili thari chisong teron. Nombir tangton pen RJ Tham. Diputara lang so karbi risonim so rongaje aklamalong mati jongni pai inkoy arni karbi ng Autonomous Council EM Rupsing teron pen long ikisompo na birta kat news channel along birta nang pali. Karbiang long Autonomous Council Art and Culture Sai kami hinpen sika lakriner kebra suri troksi kebra troksi atangka panongpon si karbi risonim so rongaje Samson sing tia chatay long kangnia de mate gallery kasalampon Japan long e kisong lapen kamamo setami pangcheng ponlo labang solong e kisong pono mailong iembarim bidasing rong PTCR rani terang P KYF amaipu chonro sing kro tum chetong don pen long e kisong pona long RDP dun. Dipuai tiarlo kido bakery pen chinglok prek jama hotel along Asunción hormu kichua pan pere meme lapen lang pemi pen si chunam nangji athikidam tang arni pinang an bakery hotel along kasalampon kichua hormu along hiji meme pere meme ason kilongpu pinang ana berta alo along setami paklang ponlo Roy Bakery kulat setami kecho hormolong munira pan a oka prana pan kahino dakason kachingoy do na lamki pen chinghap nanglo lason si mati jong ni pai inkoyarni Hanuman Mondir at hengno long kedo Chapala Sweet Bakery pen kasalam ahimar lolong honjeng keter kilong laso ahonjeng laki mondir along kien Rika Chikok ahonjeng kier him kasalam mohot sila so honjeng katimot pen sit dakpet na haiji seta lahay ke klem ke dam ingtir thipu ke dakpen si klanglo la si dipuai hitiarlo bakery pen hotel along ke johormu kasalam along dipu town committee pen hampanga songatum langtar libdun si kimi HSDC songatum pen kachapatir pipon along KSA SYC ATSA AJYCP aisa tum pen chirap chetudun si matijong ni pai inkoyar ni analupor pai kresia por malom pen lahori jan pen bite kebek pangching pon si Seluni jan an ingtondang
Labangso asai kedeng ipon atike Greater Nagalim aputhak Article 244A Karbiang Autonomous Council atum pen kachapanglim aputhak lapen kenam tanggolaghat bokidhor sa abirialong kachong data tumaphan hele pen ke ap aputhak atsa atum pen kapin rem Anparta AJYCP asong atum Bangladeshi aputhak pen chenglok penangan alam enponsi bike pachajeng asai padupon Labangso amay long HSDC amay pukachatan RD Mongbe Rongpi HSDC Chunbang Laichan Ingleng MP Barim Dr. Chenta Rongpi Salaworbe KSA Mai Pusimian Rongpar AJYC pen Jitu Pukon SYC pen Harlongbi Qatar Atsa pen Bobin Tanti Aisa pen Anthony Qatar pen Chenglok penangan abang puatum chatongdun pen bike kapachajeng along RDP dun
Normalam so por pandhian apartment birta mo ington panik senen
MS Biswas Car Zone Used 4-wheeler showroom near Harukat Civil Hospital. All types of used cars are available at a very cheap rate. For more details, please contact at 9435169675 or 9954835181. Holy Child Academy, Lurulangso, Difu Karbianglong. New admission starts from 15th of December 2017 for the class of playgroup to class 5. The new classes will start from 8th of January 2018. The academy provides many facilities such as computer education, secure environment, music and dance class, art and painting class, playroom, audio-visual room, school tuition, daycare, school tiffin, smart class, child development center, etc. Parents or guardians are requested to collect the admission form from the principal office at office hours. For more details, please contact at 9854-143-772 or you can also contact at 03-671-27900.
Aturkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong, Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Biswas Motors Yamaha. Two-wheeler showroom near Hauraghat SBI ATM. Full tank fuel on all scooters is offered till Christmas. Good servicing facilities and all accessories and parts are available here. For more details, contact 7896955806 or 9954833491. Blossom Beauty Clinic and Training Center. Facilities available. List of haircut, hair treatment, hair oiling, henna, straightening, hair perming. Full body spa, coloring, waxing, manicure and pedicure, party makeup. List of facial, signature galvanic facial, signature Aurelatus facial, gold, pearl, diamond facial, fruits facial, cleanup, normal facial and bleach. Blossom Beauty Clinic and Training Center, KST Road near Aturkimi Outlet, Difu, Karbi Anglong. Banalata Chaudhary Deka 9435539500. Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong Akenang Sorahormu Ason Salam Pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang Kenang Sot Kichuason La Penthesiri Alang Hithi Kulat Along Longpon Ikji. Kang Tirtang Kijun Alang Tharwe Alang Theso Alang Kecho Ajam 2, Tharmit Aduk, Thelua Kreng, Chitronola, Ukthor Pen Chenglok Ongdung Hemalong Akenang Sot Hormu Longpon Ikji.
Dihin mo piputot bertalong wang tulum. Di Town Committee Chokomar atumben bainong kilong lea putak matijong ni pai ingkoy arni tili hinia porpen putot a hearing tang rakpen kachisong asay kedeng padupon tupusi kat news asay hemalong berta nang le.
Difu Town Committee Chokomar atuma phanching ki chingwailo nang pora lamchak ki pipona teng pen Town Committee sai phodowang pi pedat achok puthot khachisong pon padusi bainong longlitit khachisong ington te pu Chokomar tum ning ki pungpen khachisong pon angthek chipaklang lasin non ki wang jia por hut arpukedo EMCM la pen Town Committee sai phodum la so puthak prabjin pen bainong ki pije phan sai dek maserak nang pupusi khachisong pon Chokomar tum pen ningje
মিটিং এৰেঞ্জ কৰা হৈছে এতিয়ালৈকে কোনো মানুহ খা খবৰ নাই আমি ৰাতিপুৱাৰ পৰা বুকত ৰৈ আছো ইয়ালৈকে এতিয়া কোনো মানুহ অহা নাই এতিয়ালৈকে আমি কি কৰিম তাৰ ওপৰত 10 তাৰিখৰ পৰা আমাৰ ষ্ট্ৰাইক চলি আছে দিন হৈ গ'ল এতিয়ালৈকে ইমান দিন হৈ গ'ল এতিয়া কোনো খা খবৰ নাই না একো আলোচনা কৰা নাই এতিয়া আমি বাধ্যত এইবিলাক কৰিবলগীয়া হৈছে
তুমি আসন খাস পিনি দে তুমি আমি কি পংপেন কে সব লোক তে ক্লাব করলাম ডেস্ক বেঞ্চ তামিল দা মেক ইট থর লা আমার দরবার কর গো Anh cho anh litum camera person Stefan Teron pela aning ki pung kache song a along la mi ke thor pon amor litum ne pon long pen thek pon long lo lai lo etum jongsi Karbiang Autonomous Council atum mate dak town committee lo ar pugido dak je etum same prabjin pen pangso sai pang samye phan ar pu deng sra son de messenger pusili tum hin pen chini hun bos same non bang ke la sor kido tum same dak kiem pen chenglok siam men chenglok dak kicari tum same asor ku deng dere ga yoksi ason ami akar heklong bom lo si am so se non ke bang ja por long jong si lason am committee bate ladak yem siam tu mar deng de pute am so se ga song ami akar thei pusili tumin pen bilta chini dun asi camera person Stefan Teron pen ili Mongol Singkro Kat News Dikuru
Borpatar Police Station ang Kangmati Jong ni Pai Ingkoy Anerlo Arnitili Isiapor Ihum AS09C 9226 Dolamara pen dipuka cheleng Abbas men inut cycle pen kedambom abang puapan kepatong pen kekang un eden ajok heng pia rongalong kepatong dam ahir ingtang raklo pusi birta nangle
Siloni John Pentima Puro Natu Kedam Bomb AS09 C9226 Sapas Inut Cycle Pen Kedam Bomb Abang Papan Kipa Jogamat Men Erong Ting Pia Rong Along Ketong Dam Dera Jog Bang Hini Ka Chatap Donatum Adim Along Mot Apran Kedam Lapen Bain Koyatum Ahiring Tang Rapen Areng Hukiso Pusi Birta Long
Pini Morning News sa Bangkila Pansi Kang Ton Poniklo na ibom the Cut News Channel Dumit Hatme Korang Tu